Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, it's another odds and ends Saturday. So this one's going to be hot sauces and other flavorings. Before we get to that, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, please click the subscribe button down below and then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I do one of these videos. Also, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. And if you can, share it out on social media so your friends and relatives and everyone knows about these important videos I'm doing here for your education. Alrighty. So hot sauces and other flavorings. Last Saturday, I did it was titled Spice of Life. Talked all different types of spices you can store and everything else. Well, there's some other spices that, you probably might want to think about raising on your own, and some stuff for hot sauces. So there's going to be a little bit jumping around here. This is an odds and ends, so we're just grabbing stuff and throwing it together here for you. So get out your paper, notepad, and write stuff down. All right, hot sauces. Probably the most famous commercial hot sauce you can get is Tabasco sauce, and they now have a variety of flavors. Tabasco sauce keeps practically forever. Don't forget, it spends, 5 to 7 years outdoors in a cask, fermenting and cooking, not refrigerated. So, yeah, if you keep it refrigerated in your, put in your refrigerator after you open it, it's going to keep forever. I mean, we've got some bottles that are like 10 years old that we use a little bit here, a little bit there. We don't use a lot of it, but just a little extra flavor when we need some zing in a dish. Now, other ones, there's, I can't even pronounce it. Begins with a T, Tapapio or something like that, and some other ones. There's a lot of different hot sauces out there that you can get and use in cooking. Makes your dishes taste a little bit differently so you don't get bored of the same dish. So hot sauce is something you can go buy. Now, hot sauces are something you can make as well. Several different channels out there are growing a lot of peppers and stuff, and they're making stuff. Operation Capsation, White Family Farm, most notably Courtney's husband Dustin has his own little channel, King Poopa, and so he's doing peppers and stuff. And there's a couple other pepper channels that they deal with out there that are making stuff. Now, you can make your own salsas and hot sauces and different dishes like that you can in your jars and stuff and keep on your shelves and use when you need to. Now, other flavorings as well, something to think about is, all right, nutmeg and cinnamon. These come from trees. Plant a tree. I forget, I think it was last year I did a video called Plant a Tree Prepper. Yeah, plant a tree, because it takes 4 to 5 years before trees generally start bearing fruit. And so you can, if you get the nutmeg tree, make sure you get the one that's for the spice for making that nutmeg that you grind, not the California one, which is used for different stuff and pharmaceuticals and stuff. So you get the right one, you plant it, and it looks just like a regular ornamental tree. But in 5 years, they can be producing 1,000 nutmegs a year. Hey, and what you don't use, you can sell. All right. And then cinnamon comes off the bark of the cinnamon tree. And there's several other trees like this that provide some of the spices, because some spices don't last very long. Once you crack open that jar, they start losing their flavor and their potency. So you may want to think about planting some of these spices yourselves, these trees, these plants that produce the peppers and stuff like that. The other tree is the black pepper tree. That's where your pepper for you come out of your shaker comes from the pepper tree. So think about that. See if it works into your plan or not. And if it does, go for it. All right. And remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, oils, glues, adhesives, everything you're going to need to keep your life comfortable and happy if everything goes to pot. Why do you say that? Why do you need all this stuff? Well, this is why.